The Algorand digital currency is the new age blockchain network. The innovation is as of now called Blockchain 3.0. The explanation is that it tackles the most squeezing issues of Bitcoin's versatility while keeping up with security and decentralization. It is accepted that this new advanced organization will work on the productivity of the standard monetary framework, and its convention will work with the smooth flow of monetary forms. Our constant ALGO to USD cost update shows the ongoing Algorand cost is 16 cents USD. According to our Algorand cost expectation, ALGO cost is supposed to have a 2.6% reduction and drop as low as by May 13, 2023. Our specialized pointers signal about the negative bullish 7% market feeling on Algorand, while the trepidation and ravenousness record is showing a score of 52. Over the most recent 30 days, Algorand has had 13 30th green days and 10.43% cost instability. Algorand specialized outline. Algorand verifiable as per the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of Algorand is $16 cents, and ALGO is as of now position No. 41 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of Algorand is $1,180,376,657.70, with a market cap of $7,226,365,067 ALGO. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by 1 cent in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, ALGO has been in a decent vertical pattern, in this way expanding by 7.48%. Algorand has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of late, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of a LGO has expanded by 26.1%, adding a giant typical measure of 4 cents to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now, assuming that it keeps on developing. Algorand Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Algorand costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Algorand will be 12 cents. The most extreme level that the ALGO cost can reach is 18 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 24 cents. Likely return on initial capital investment, 14.6% ALGO value figure for May 2023 in light of the value vacillations of Algorand toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical ALGO pace of 15 cents in May 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 12 cents and at 17 cents. Separately, possible return for money invested. 7% June 2023. Algorand value conjecture digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their figure for the ALGO cost in June 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 12 cents, while the greatest could reach 20 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Algorand may be around 16 cents. Likely return on initial capital investment, 26.4% ALGO value estimate for July 2023. Crypto experts have really looked at the value changes of Algorand in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal ALGO rate they anticipate may be around 20 cents in July 2023. It can drop to 20 cents as a base. The most extreme worth may be 20 cents. Likely return on initial capital investment, 30.6% August 2023. Algorand value figure around mid-year 2023. The ALGO cost will be exchanged at 21 cents by and large. August 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Algorand worth to 21 cents. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than 20 cents in August 2023. Likely return on initial capital investment, 34.8% ALGO value figure for September 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected Algorand costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to September 2023, 21 cents. The most reduced and top ALGO rates may be 21 cents and 22 cents. Likely return for money invested, 38.8% October 2023. Algorand value gauge crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the ALGO cost will be around 22 cents. In October 2023, the Algorand cost might drop to at least 22 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 22 cents in October 2023. Likely return for money invested, 43% ALGO value estimate for November 2023. Having broke down Algorand costs, digital currency specialists expect that the ALGO rate could arrive at a limit of 23 cents in November 2023. It may, nonetheless, drop to 22 cents. For November 2023, the gauge normal of Algorand is almost 23 cents. Expected return for money invested, 47.1% December 2023. Algorand value conjecture around mid-2023, the Algorand cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 23 cents. Crypto examiners expect that in December 2023, The ALGO cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of 23 cents and 24 cents. Expected return for money invested: 51.3% Algorand value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Algorand in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Algorand will be around 30 cents. The greatest expected ALGO cost might be around 37 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 31 cents in 2024. Algorand value forecast 2025. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Algorand, in 2025, ALGO is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about 44 cents and 54 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 46 cents. Algorand value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have dissected the costs of Algorand and their variances during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2026, the base ALGO cost could drop to 64 cents, while its greatest can reach 79 cents. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around 66 cents. Algorand value expectation 2027. In view of the examination of the expenses of Algorand by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least ALGO costs are normal in 2027, $1.10 and 91 cents. By and large, it will be exchanged at 95 cents. Algorand value forecast 2028. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the variances of Algorand. In view of their expectations, the assessed typical ALGO cost will be around $1.40. It could drop to at least $1.36. However, it actually could reach $1.60 all through 2028. Algorand value expectation 2029. Consistently, digital currency specialists get ready estimates at the cost of Algorand. It is assessed that LGO will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $1.91 and $2.32 in 2029. Its typical expense is normal at around $1.98 during the year. Algorand value forecast 2030. Cryptographic money experts are prepared to declare their assessments of the Algorand's cost. The year 2030 still up in the air by the most extreme ALGO cost of $3.33. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $2.70. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $2.80. Algorand value expectation 2031. Following quite a while of investigation of the Algorand cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their ALGO cost assessment to 2031. It will be exchanged for somewhere around $3.83, with the conceivable greatest tops at $4.74. Overall, you can anticipate that the ALGO cost should be around $3.95 in 2031. Algorand value expectation 2032. Digital money experts are prepared to report their assessments of the Algorand's cost. The year 2032 not set in stone by the greatest ALGO cost of $6.76. In any case, its rate could drop to around $5.76.